Please, someone! My leg is stuck!
Move. Just move.
Move or die! Your call, paramedic!
I got you. Don't look back.
My ankle, I can't run!
3 more, closing fast! We move now!
Wi-Fi's dead, cell towers are fried, but the military's screaming on 14 encrypted channels, so that's fun.
Who the hell are you?
He locked the door. That's enough for now.
Are we safe here?
Defines.
This is not just a short clip, this is a full AI-generated episode. And not only that, you can create unlimited episodes, even 1-hour-long cinematic web series, just like Netflix. Everything is generated using Seedance 2.0, with fully consistent characters across every scene, so no face or character mismatch at all. No editing, no complex workflow, just pure AI storytelling on a single platform built for long-form content creation. And the best part? You can get Unlimited Seedance 2.0 for 30 days, and you also get early access to Gemini Omni, making it even more powerful for next-level video generation. So I'm going to show you everything step by step, so make sure you pay close attention, because I'm not going to waste your time. Let's get started. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. Meet Topview AI, your all-in-one AI platform where you can access multiple powerful AI tools in a single place. With it, you can create, generate, and manage a wide range of AI content without switching between different tools. It makes the whole process faster, easier, and more efficient, all in one platform. So first of all, click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you will land on this dashboard. They've just added some new AI features, which are amazing. One is AI Video Agent V2, where you can generate any length video with consistent characters and references using Seedance 2.0. The second is Drama Studio, which is one of the best features they've added in Topview AI. With this, you can create a single episode or even a full series. There are also many other AI tools and features available on Topview AI. You'll get trending templates, viral hook videos, and much more, all in a single platform. So in today's video, we are using Drama Studio. First, enter your idea or paste your script if you already have one. I'm pasting my idea here. Then select whether you want a single episode or a full series. For this example, I'll select single episode, and don't worry, you can change it later as well. Next, select the writer. I recommend using the top-tier writer. Then click Run. After that, you can select the art style of your drama. You can choose live action options, animation, or even a custom style. I'm going with live action, and there are multiple options available. I'm choosing this one. Then select single episode or multiple episodes, choose the aspect ratio, and set the episode duration. You can also adjust it manually, but I'm going with auto. Next, select the language. You can create videos in all major languages. Finally, select the audience age group that best fits your video. If you are not sure about adjustments, I recommend enabling the Auto Review and Optimize option. There are some other settings as well, but there's no need to touch them. Finally, click Confirm and start creating. It starts creating our episode outline, and within a few seconds it generates the full outline. Now it's asking if the outline is good. We can either move forward to generate characters, locations, and prop settings, or rewrite the outline, or even skip settings and write the beat sheet directly. I'm happy with the outline, so I click on it, and it starts generating prompts for our characters, locations, and references that will be used in the video. All the prompts are generated, and we can either create character images one by one or simply click on Generate All Characters, and it will start generating everything automatically. Within a few seconds, all characters are generated. If any character looks off, you can simply regenerate it. Using the same step, I generate the environment of my video and all the props that will be used in the scene. After that, I go back to the outline and script section and click on Enter Video Production. It brings me here. It looks like a video editor, but it's far better than that. As you can see, Seedance 2.0 is auto-selected, and the duration is already set according to the scene requirements. The resolution is set to 720p, but you can upscale your video up to 4K. You can also generate storyboard images of your video to check all references and make sure everything matches perfectly. You can also generate the storyboard using GPT Image 2 and Nano Banana models. So I'm choosing GPT Image 2 and generating the storyboard. As you can see, the storyboard is very similar to my final video, so we can also use this as a reference. All the references are attached, and every scene has a different prompt with linked references based on the scene requirements. Everything is set automatically. You don't need to set anything manually. Now let's generate the videos. Click on the scene you want to generate, then click Generate Video, and the rendering process will start. It takes around 3 to 5 minutes. Do the same for the second scene, and make sure you enable Continue from previous scene, so the next scene starts exactly where the first one ended. This way, you don't need to adjust anything manually for every scene. Now click Generate Video for all scenes, and it will start generating everything automatically, one by one, as each scene finishes. Once all scenes are generated, I recommend reviewing everything carefully. If any scene needs improvement, you can simply regenerate it. If everything looks good, click Export. Now select your desired export option. You can either merge all scenes or export scene slices. I recommend choosing the merge option, so you don't need any external editor. Then click Start Export, and after exporting, click Download. And here is the final result.
Please, someone! My leg is stuck!
Move. Just move.
Move or die! Your call, paramedic!
I got you. Don't look back.
My ankle, I can't run!
3 more closing fast! We move now!
Wi-Fi's dead, cell towers are fried, but the military's screaming on 14 encrypted channels, so that's fun.
Who the hell are you?
He locked the door. That's enough for now.
Are we safe here?
Define safe. I've got power, 3 walls, and barbecue chips. Could be worse. This isn't natural. Deployment schedules, dispersal coordinates, infection radius projections. Someone built this.
Deployment schedules? That's military language.
For a weapon release, yeah.
Where's it coming from?
Still cracking the source headers, but the transmission origin is inside the city, 6 miles south.
Stairwell, go!
The files! 30 more seconds!
You have 0 seconds!
Maya, you're bleeding!
It's fine. Just a scratch.
It's not fine. You've got maybe 4 minutes before the...
You pulled me out. Now pull her out.
I'm trying.
They're on the 2nd floor. Whatever you're gonna do it now.
Bite down.
You're good at this. Why'd you quit?
Because last time my hands did this, someone died anyway.
I'm not dying tonight, paramedic.
Source files fully decrypted. A defense contractor, Helion Biosystems. They're still broadcasting. Still active. 6 miles south.
Bridge is clear. Military's pulling everyone past the perimeter. We just walk.
Ethan, the bridge.
They built this, and they're still in there building more.
Then we go back.
See, it's amazing, a Netflix-style AI episode with insane cinematic quality, consistent characters, and perfectly connected scenes. Everything is generated automatically in minutes. No editing, no stress, just pure AI storytelling. And you can create the same thing too with Topview AI in just a few clicks. You just need to take the first step, and the rest of the work is handled by Topview automatically. Now, if we talk about pricing, they also have a free plan with some limitations. But if you want to create videos without restrictions, I recommend checking out the Ultra plan. And if you choose the annual plan, you can get up to 66% discount. The best part is you also get Unlimited Seedance 2.0 access for 30 days. Make sure you take advantage of this opportunity. I'll provide the link in the description. Make sure you check it out, and if you need any help, let me know in the comments or reach out on our Discord server, where you can get all my used prompts, tutorials in one place, and lots of AI strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.